Okay, good morning. Monday, December 20th. If anybody's interested, I'm going to start doing a pre-market prep, seeing as one of our pre-market preps just kind of bailed and wants to go corporate and charge money for a bunch of stuff there that they were giving out for free for a while here. And he did some quick calculations on it. It was like he has about 600 viewers daily, and he wants to charge $49. So if you guys think that he's not making any money off that, that's 30,000 bucks. And then it goes on from there. Sorry, we're gonna try this new format too. We had to get into this one pretty quick. This one's SOPA. Here it goes now, flying up the hill. Uh, there's the light format. I don't like that, right? And here's that short that we were working on, SOPA. Here we go here. So yeah, we're up 9% right now at the high of the day. Fuck's sakes, right into a halt. So we're going to move a stop up into 507. 5.07. 330 profit. They said we wanted to size up today, but lo and behold, we didn't. Let me know in the comments if the dark format helps. Yeah, let me know in the comments if the dark format helps. We have targets all the way. Like, here's our first target. Oh, jump-ins. We've got too much stuff going on here. Yeah, so I'm on their website here, in their press releases. This is a Vietnamese. Where does it say it here? Vietnamese. Not that it's a big deal. Gathering steam in Vietnamese pandemic tech industry. It's a I don't even know what the hell it is. Society Pass. Digital ecosystem. Yeah, it's a bunch of nonsense, right? We should probably look to take profits here as fast as possible. Should be coming off a halt here. This might be trouble. Whoa. Yeah, what we gathered was this is kind of like an IPO time thing. It's just joined the Russell. Yeah, sorry about that. So we just jumped up. I thought we missed our halt there. It came unhalted at the right time. I must have glitched here a bit, but anyway, our next halt off would be at 56 and a half. So we got a bit of time left. But look at that, we're up at 30% now. Move of the day, perfect. I think we should move our stop up into 557 on the bottom side of that halt. 57, and now we're up 800 bucks no matter what. When this jumps up, I think we should take some of the product off at 625. So I'm going to do a sell limit at 626, and we're going to use jumpins. 200 units, $1,200 of a $5,000 position. 300 units, $1,800 of a 500 position. Be worth pretty good money. Be worth pretty good money if we do that. We got a couple minutes here to think about it. Yeah, so some quick math there. That would be a 500 and roughly $50 take. I think we should do that just to keep profit in. Now we're in the best place we could be, possibly, in general. I'll zoom in on this a little bit for you so we can see it. This chart is a little bit messed up for some reason. We've got more and more and more volume coming in. Gonna go to this chart for you. There's our high of the day too, right? So you see how it stopped right there at the high of the day? Isn't that interesting, right? So we'll wait for this to come off a halt. Hopefully we can take some profit. And we have our stop set up. We should almost put it up at 66, right? Just fuck, why do we have to come back to there? fuck that, right? 66, so that's $900 profit there. Now we're good to go. We can just let this thing... Okay, so we should be coming off a halt here in 10, 20 seconds or something. I moved that sell limit up a little bit to 29. You know, it's going to jump up. I bet you it's a little shy. I bet you we should go to 30, 35, something like that, 635. So when it jumps up, we just want to grab it, and then it's going to want to peel back, right? Because at any point here, we've got to hit the high of the day. And that will be that, right? And there's the jump up to 7. See how we screwed that up? And here it keeps going. What did we... 679, right? So we missed that. We messed that right up. 679. That's ridiculous. So now I'm going to move that stop up to 677 really quickly. Holy smokes, 677. This is a home run, man. Jumpins. And we're halted again. So here's the 57% up. God damn it. This is going to be a big win, man. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be a huge win, man. Wow. So there you have it on that first take. We had $615 profit right there. Wow, this is going to be big, man. So again, there's the decisions that you have to make quickly. We have now $3,300 of a $5,000 position left on the table. You know, I hate letting profits go to waste here, so we're going to sell some more of this, and I think at 770, 775, 775, I think we should drop another 300 units. 300 units. That would leave us with 400 units. Should be like a $1,500 position. Yeah, I think we should take profit like that. We'll see how that goes. Now, you know, it could jump up way past this, and we're gonna, but whatever. We're still gonna get our money. And it's better to be, when this unhalts, it's better to get your money out of it, like, in the middle of that halt. Like, not the halt, the range here, like this little jump up. It's better to get it in here somewhere so you can actually get out. Like, when it's halted, it's done. Like, it's locked up. You can't get out, right? So it's better to do this, because this thing, like, it's halted now 4 times or something. We never know. Like, this thing could just go, it's from Vietnam. It could go under investigation and be underwater. So it's better to cut your position here a little earlier than later. Yeah, it should be coming off a halt there. There it is. I'm going to ram that stop up tighter now. 804. Oh, the jumpins. Hurry, hurry, hurry. There it is there. Took it all. We'll see where it goes from here. We don't know. See if we made the right choice now. Just let it ride. It's all out of our hands now, man. There it is. Ah, so it was one of those days. I had to get my calculator. That was $2,933. $2,933. Now, let's think about this. If we had to just taken all of it off at the top. So let's just say we got 60% of that move. Sorry, so 60% was 3,000, and we took 2,933 the way we did it. I'm pretty happy with that. 60% was up to here, right? So, because I highly doubt you're ever going to catch that top. That was, that's pretty good. We did pretty good. We got probably 55% of a 60% move. That was excellent. Way to go. Good job. Yeah. It's definitely not what you trade. It's how you trade. We do this in real time every time. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. We're going to do this with a big position at one point, and it's going to be mind-blowing, man. Mind-blowing. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to wait for this to come off a halt. We're going to keep taping. There's off the halt now. Let's get in close. I don't think this is actually going to go back. I think it's going to come back to VWAP. So at one point we're going to see, $5.75 or something like that at some point in the day. Even if it does carry on, it's time to reevaluate and take another look at what you got going on here, to see if anything. Look at the volume there. That was a huge volume. 2.6 million on the downstroke there. We were part of that, like only a little bit, but we were part of that. So we're going to pause it here and let it run out and see if it, see what she does. Again, here's the 1 year chart of this thing, if anybody's interested. That's volume there, right? So we're going to, if you were to do that, there it is there. That's the volume. The volume is killing it. So, just seems to be messing around now after all those halts. Realistically, I don't see any pattern right now. This probably will do this kind of flatlining kind of stuff, tight little candles for the rest of the day. There's nothing else really going on. We've got our, there's nothing really else going on. BBIG was kind of moving, but. So it ran back up and into the halt. Where was your signal? Could have been the higher low, but I mean, look at, you got one underneath this, 1, 2. Let's look at it on the other chart. Yeah, like I don't know if I see it. Maybe in the volume. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Higher high, higher high, higher high. But I mean, like, the volume came in before that break. See that? The volume was in on that wire set. Well, there it is there, actually. There it is there. Just 1 second. Yeah, there it is there. But you would have to be on top of your game. Look at, there it is. You would really. I had to stretch the chart too, so the standard chart, the way it looks, I don't know. For some reason, it's really flat, and it's not. At least on my package. Yeah, and that run up there was 8%, 9%. Yeah, so I thought I'd pop back in here and maybe just try and record some of this madness. See if we can pick something up off of it, right? I still can't find a signal on it. I don't know. I'm not very good at trading after the fact to get these little pushes. And when I say little pushes, I'm talking just 30% and so. So this thing's up 200 and I don't even know where it's at now. 200 and, well, we can look. 271%, 72 million shares traded. And it's 11:44 in the morning here. Well, you got to know what you're good at and what you're not good at. And I always feel if I chase this thing anywhere in here, I'm gonna buy the top. And it's like everybody. How does the market know when I'm buying and it reverses, and then I get spooked out because this level of volatility, you could easily probably get a drawdown here of 20% or yeah, say we bought the top there. That's a 10% drawdown, so I would have been out of that. We bought the top here. That's 7% drawdown. I would have been out of that. What about like over here when I thought it was going to break it or there? There's a 7% drawdown. I was probably going to get screwed on that one too. So you see what I'm getting at, right? Like I just can't get a good read on it for an entry to get another move on it, right? Well, seeing as we got into our it's coming into another pattern now, I'd like you to like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. We're gonna think about starting a pre-market prep here, seeing as the one that got taken, they turned it off, right? The one that I used to watch. So, And yeah, I do some math here in a second. You know, and now they're at, he's at 2,700 views. Times $49 is 132,000, right? So just remember what you guys are buying when you're buying his little subscription there, right? Because we do this in real time every time. So do they, but I mean, that's not the point. We're just going to get ready to try and catch this. Leave a comment if you you want your high fives and the dark screen was better. Yeah, we might be able to get another. I don't know if it'd be worth it to catch it on this 15-minute video, right? So yeah, we might get a trade on this now soon. Till the next balance, everyone.